Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordanbikes and today we have this for sale, a BSB replica Ninja 650. So looks the part, sounds the part. It's also covered top to bottom in R&G crash protection, so you've got the engine covers, engine protection there as well. You've also got the bottom of the forks that are covered as well, and then also in there some radiator guards. So loads and loads of R&G bits on. It's a 2022 registered bike on a 22 plate, and the mileage is 0. It is a brand new bike. It's never been rode ever. It's also got the tail tidy on there as well. Full custom paint as I've just shown you. And also you can see there on the odometer, that is not a trip counter. It has 0 miles on. So it has never ever been rode. Of course, our technicians will do a little test ride on the bike to make sure it does as it should. And of course, PDI and health check the bike. But as it stands right now, it's never been rode. So if you do fancy this bike, please do give us a call or pop down to the showroom. Cheers.
Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very, very fussy and we've put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in. And as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching. Cheers.